Choose an area free of magnetic fields or radio interference. Long press for 2 seconds to power on, and the drone will play beep sounds. Then click twice to turn on the drone and controller will pair automatically. The whole process takes around 40 seconds. The drone lights will turn pink, indicating that pairing is complete. Next, connect your phone to the drone's Wi-Fi, whose name starts with Ruko. Open the app, tap Control, and the app will play the tutorial videos. Watch the step-by-step videos. Next, start the compass calibration. Rotate the drone horizontally for 2 circles, and then vertically for 2 circles. The drone will beep 2 times. Place the drone on a level surface. Push the joysticks to 11 and 1 o'clock positions to complete gyroscope calibration. The drone searches for GPS signals automatically, and the lights turn to solid blue and white when done. Set the flight distance and altitude according to your need, as the drone default mode is for beginner. Pull both joysticks to the 6 o'clock position and then tilt inward to the 5 and 7 o'clock positions to start the motors. Push the left joystick forward to make the drone take off. The left joystick controls the drone's vertical motion and turns. The right joystick controls the drone's forward and backward motion and also allows it to fly to the left and right in a sidestep manner. Roll the gear left or right to adjust the camera angle up and down. Short press the video button once to start or stop video recording. Short press the camera button once to take a single photo. By clicking the home button, the drone will auto-return to the takeoff location. Of course, you can also take off or land the drone manually using the joystick or through the phone app. Start the motors, tap the takeoff button on the app, slide to confirm, and the drone will take off. Tap the land button on the app, slide to confirm, and the drone will land above its current location.